In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple door in AutoCAD. We'll keep it clean and practical, perfect for floor plans or quick layout studies. By the end, you'll have a simple door symbol that you can reuse and flip in any direction. We'll start by drawing the door leaf as a rectangle. You can use either the rectangle tool or the line tool, whichever you're more comfortable with. If you choose rectangle, click to set a starting corner, then drag and click again to set the opposite corner. If you prefer lines, just draw 4 connected lines to form the same shape. For accuracy, it helps to watch your ortho or polar tracking so edges stay straight, and use object snaps to catch corners precisely. If you already know the door's size, you can type the dimensions while placing the rectangle. If not, just sketch it and adjust later. The key is that this rectangle represents the door panel, so place it where the door will swing from one corner. Next, add the arc that shows the door's opening swing. Use the arc tool and draw a smooth curve that starts near the hinge side of the rectangle and sweeps outward to indicate the path the door takes when opened. Think of the hinge corner as your anchor and let the arc follow the same radius as the door's width so it looks correct in plan. Keep the arc clean and light enough to read as a swing indicator rather than a solid object. This visual cue helps anyone reading your drawing understand how the door operates. With the rectangle and arc in place, select them both and type block, then press enter. In the block dialog, give your block a clear name and pick a sensible base point, typically the hinge corner. Choosing that corner makes placement and alignment easier in other drawings. Once you confirm, your door becomes a single, reusable object that stays consistent whenever you insert it. From here, you can use mirror and rotate to place the door in different orientations. Mirror is great for flipping the hinge from left to right without redrawing anything. Just choose a mirror line, like the edge of a wall, and confirm. Rotate lets you swing the door block to face any direction. 90-degree increments work well for standard plans. Keep an eye on the hinge point as you transform it so the geometry remains aligned with your walls. And that's it. A rectangle for the leaf, an arc for the swing, convert it to a block, and then mirror or rotate as needed. Simple, fast, and tidy.